What if I told you there's a way to build a business today that not only funds your dream lifestyle, but also secures wealth for generations to come? Imagine setting up a system where money flows in, even while you sleep, and one day, your kids and grandkids thank you for the empire you built. No more paycheck-to-paycheck stress, no more financial uncertainty, just a system that prints money while you sleep. Sounds crazy? It's not. The truth is, building generational wealth isn't about luck. It's about knowing where the real opportunities are and taking action. In this video, we are revealing 5 insanely powerful business ideas that have the potential to set you up for life. And trust me, you cannot afford to miss number 5. It might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. So, stick around because this could be the moment that changes everything for you and your family. Franchising a successful business. Imagine walking into a business that's already thriving, with customers lined up and profits rolling in. That's the power of franchising. Instead of struggling to build a brand from the ground up, you're leveraging a proven system, an established brand, and ongoing support from a parent company. Franchising is ideal because it provides a blueprint for success. You get training, marketing strategies, and an existing customer base. The key is picking the right franchise, one with high demand, low competition, and scalability. Fast food chains, fitness centers, and service-based franchises often do exceptionally well. Once you establish one franchise, you can expand to multiple locations, multiplying your income streams. And the best part? A well-managed franchise can be passed down to your children, setting them up with a profitable business and financial security for years to come. Real estate investing. Real estate has been the cornerstone of generational wealth for centuries. Why? Because land and property appreciate over time and can generate steady passive income. The global real estate market is projected to reach a staggering $654.4 trillion by 2025, proving that this industry isn't slowing down anytime soon. There are multiple paths to wealth through real estate. Rental properties generate consistent cash flow. Commercial real estate offers high returns on investment. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow you to invest without property management hassles. Some of the richest families in the world own multi-generational properties that continue to pay them decades later. Whether you're flipping houses or renting out apartments, real estate allows you to build long-term wealth that can be passed down to future generations. E-commerce and brand ownership. The internet has changed the game. It's now possible to build a multi-million-dollar business right from your bedroom. With e-commerce sales expected to hit $6.8 trillion by 2028, there's massive potential for anyone who wants to start an online brand. Platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Etsy, and WooCommerce make it easy to sell anything, from handmade jewelry and digital products to trendy clothing and gadgets. The key to success? Finding profitable niches, sourcing high-quality products, and leveraging digital marketing strategies like Facebook ads, influencer partnerships, and SEO. One powerful hack? Personal branding. Customers are drawn to brands that feel authentic and personal. That's why influencers are dominating e-commerce. Imagine owning a brand that scales globally, operates 24/7, and generates passive income for years. That's the power of e-commerce. Content creation and media. What if you could get paid to talk about things you love? Content creation is the future of media, and it's turning ordinary people into millionaires. YouTube, podcasts, and blogs allow creators to make money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise. Just look at Mr. Beast. He made $85 million last year from YouTube alone. Other creators like Jake Paul, Markiplier, and Alex Cooper are making millions annually, all because they found their niche and built a loyal audience. The best part? Content never dies. Once you upload a video, write a blog, or publish a podcast, it continues making money forever. As the demand for digital content skyrockets, there's never been a better time to jump into this industry. Whether you love gaming, finance, fitness, or storytelling, there's an audience waiting for you. With consistency, strategy, and the right platform, you can turn content into cash and cash into generational wealth. And lastly, starting an AI-based business. AI is the new gold rush, and the smartest entrepreneurs are cashing in big. The global AI market is expected to reach $733.7 billion by 2028, meaning there is limitless opportunity in this space. AI is transforming every industry, from healthcare and finance to e-commerce and entertainment. Some of the most profitable AI businesses include AI-powered chatbots that automate customer service, AI-driven price optimization tools that help businesses maximize profits, health AI applications that assist in diagnostics and patient care, AI content generators that produce articles, ads, and videos at scale. Sam Altman, co-founder of ChatGPT, saw this opportunity and became a billionaire by leading the AI revolution. This is your chance. If you start now, you can build an AI business that scales exponentially, reaches a global market, and secures your financial future. And there you have it, 5 powerful business ideas that can create generational wealth. But knowledge without action is useless. So which idea will you start with? Comment below. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because this is just the beginning. Join the Legion Club family and let's build your legacy together.